In this video, I'll show you how you can customize the layout of the dimensions to suit your needs. So let's dive right in. First, let's understand what standard component dimensions are. These are the default dimensions that automatically appear in a new view frame. Next, let's discuss extended component dimensions. These dimensions are temporarily displayed when you select the corresponding component, but disappear when you activate another component. Don't worry, I'll show you how to make them permanently visible. Simply activate the desired component, such as the ladder in the shaft, and navigate to the Viewframe tab. Locate the selection group, and on the right side, you'll find the Show Extended Dimensions button. Click on it, and the dimensions will remain visible permanently. Moving forward, I'll guide you through the dimension setting options. Navigate to the Dimensions tab, where you'll find various operation possibilities in the Dimension Settings group. First, you can select whether the extension line should be short, standard length, or not displayed at all. This option is available separately for the first and second extension lines. Next to that, you can customize the arrowhead symbols independently. You can choose between an arrow, a dot, or none. The text for the arrow refers to the prototype DWG. If you want to change the position of the selected horizontal dimension from above to below the geometry, use the Dimension Chain Horizontal feature. Similarly, for vertical dimensions, use the Dimension Chain Vertical option to position the selected dimension either to the left or right. Additionally, you have the flexibility to set the position of the selected dimension text separately in horizontal and vertical directions. In the final group, you can choose to show disabled dimensions. This feature is helpful if you have deleted a dimension and are unsure which one. By activating this button, you can review the disabled dimensions. Deactivating it will make them invisible again, similar to when you activate the design mode. Next, there is the Arrange Automatically button. This button helps to align dimensions perfectly if you have manually positioned some and interrupted the Dimension ID query. With Enable All, you can restore all deleted dimensions. For additional setting options, go to the dimension properties of the activated viewframe and switch the settings to Individual. Now you can edit dimension text heights, distances to the geometry, and distances between the dimensions. You can also set the extension line settings in the properties for all dimensions within the viewframe. Basically, every dimension setting option for the selected dimension can be customized in the properties. Easy, right? Thanks for watching!